So we're in London. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Yeah. Anyways. So I believe that is the palace. If I'm wrong, oh well, that's because I don't know my history. But this is so cool. Don't get the wrong photo. It's sunny. Look at that, bro. What? Look at the background. There's a ship. Look at those office people. That's crazy. And we're going all the way over there. Is that working? I could walk the bridge, but I don't feel like it. Look at all these logs. Just another walk. We are in London. There's a little bit of blue out. Sir. Ben or weird trees. We got Prince of Wales here too. Scones. Oh, it's blurry. There we go. There's our refillable. Fountain. Look at the goats. Awesome. Oh, it's so immense. The sun. A lot of stuff. No time to browse. So that's what we're trying to talk about. That's not bad. That's not bad.